Shining. Feel the beat. This is me. I still ain't spitting about chains and bitches, cause the recognition ain't shit to me. But hey, we just tryna make history. Still I shine and they won't kill my vibe. They try to knock me down, then box me out. I ain't Pacquiao, bitch, still I rise. Undisputed like money made, whether or not that money came. And I ain't gonna lie.
So where are we, fellas?
Performance Dyno.
All right, so this is where one of the best places to come to get your tune as far as LS. I'm guessing some Ford also. And look at this bad boy just sitting out back, but this thing looks immaculate. Mickey Thompson's in the back, naturally. I feel like that's a CTSV thing. Oh, that looks amazing. So far it looks pretty empty. It's just the heavy hitters. Minus me, that is. So we'll see how it turns out. Holy crap. Alright, so first car's going on the dyno, and it is Joey. We got this awesome C6 Z06 right next to him that's gonna go right after Harry and his Cadillac. And I'm getting the baseline. A baseline of my Corvette today. So get ready to laugh. Joey, what are you anticipating?
I went high, 813.
813, all right. Experiencing some belt slippage. Yeah.
The green line's boost, okay? And it's 6 pounds of boost, and then it drops.
Yeah, that's crazy. So we're experiencing some belt slippage. It keeps dropping off right here. So we're gonna see what we can do to fix that real quick, and then maybe do another pull. I don't know. We'll see. Still slipped, as you can see right here. It definitely still slipped, but the numbers are looking a little bit better. Good thing we did this. Hey, good thing you came. to find this out. Alright, so Harry is up on the dyno, starting it up.
Yeah, that was the back turn in it.
Holy shit. Oh. Oh, damn. Well, damn. He's gonna fuck with you on the highway, you know that, right? Holy shit. Look at that. We're just 12 PSI on fucking food. That's not bad at all, guys. She mad. Oh, she mad. She mad right there. You must be a proud daddy.
Oh, so happy for my boy.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Look at this shit. A pulley. That's fucking ridiculous. That's good. Holy shit. This thing is nasty. Way to go, bro. Hi.
Izzy. I would say at least 2,000, yeah. 2,000. 8,000. 8,000, solid.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it.
Send it.
Izzy's going in.
I'm getting the baseline of my Corvette to see where I am right now and how ashamed I should be of myself for bringing a stock Corvette in a sea of modified cars.
Mine's stock.
Lies. Yeah. In fact, we'll wear it out. Take it. It does sound nasty. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Corvette Z06 has been baseline. Not too bad, not too shabby. A good baseline to start off with. A good amount of torque. But she definitely needs a lot more. And we are going to get her there slowly but surely. If you like this content, please be sure to subscribe. Pound that like button. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.
And we gon' do it like shine. But my neck ain't froze and my wrist ain't gold. I don't get bang rolls, but I'ma shine. Very differently, cause the glamour and the cameras ain't shit to me. Shine. Though my pocket's empty, I don't drive a Bentley. No matter what y'all tell me, I'ma shine. Without